Greetings, this is Mr. Deer, coming to you on another fine Tokyo evening. The air is yet cool, but the clouds billow like summer, and the warm sunlight bathes everything in a golden glow that rather seems to strengthen the colors it falls upon than replace them. I was walking down a lane with cherry trees, and a single blossom wafted down almost right to my hand. I cannot help but feel that one tree in particular is friendly to me, and indeed has been for some time. I caught her petal, for dryads are always female, as was Konohananosakuyabime. No, there is no good way of saying her name in English. I placed her petal in my commuter-pass card holder. Not particularly sentimental as a location, but it is enough for me to have pressed, preserved, and displayed this gift somewhere I can see it every day. My parents taught me to write a thank you note for each gift, but as I am not sure how to send mail to a tree, this must do. Thank you.
最新の合格情報はホームページへ。秋季講習も受付中。お問い合わせは各スクールへお早めに。
Alas, not all that glitters is gold. Konohananosakuyabime was too beautiful, and her marriage brought about the end of the age of gods with the beginning of the age of emperors. This was through no real fault of her own. There is a tree, however, through whose fault many men have perished. She is the mankinil, the beech apple. She flowers, she fruits, she offers sweet-smelling and tasting apples. At first things seem fine. A branch is cut down and used as a fan. An apple is eaten. Then the fire begins in the flesh. The throat constricts. The eyes go blind and the skin boils. Every part of her is toxic. Leaf, flower, root, stem, fruit, and even the smoke of her wood in a fire can blind the man. Sitting under her boughs in the rain will result in severe burns. Her leaves were used to poison the water of enemy fortresses. Her sap was used to poison arrows. Her wood is still used to make lush furniture after being purified, dried in the sun. The Spanish call her the little death apple, and the Portuguese the death tree. Beautiful cabinets, though.